No, it's actually it's not fair to steal all these lighters. Wait, hold on. Who gave me this one? Thank you. Voila. Okay. I'm going to start off with 3 explosions. Okay? They don't add anything to the show, but they warm me up. Okay. So the first, you will shout. Second, third, ooh la la. If everyone does it together, no one feels big flame. 1, 2, 3. One. What's the morning your name? Anna. What? Only this guy knows. What? Ella? Edda? Can someone tell me you finished school, please? Okay. Anna, 2, 3. Anna, 2, 3. Yeah, that was rubbish, wasn't it? Okay. Yes, wait, it's Anna, 2, 3. Anna, ooh la la. Okay. Rubbish. No, wait. Anna, 2, 3.
Ooh la la.
Okay, so.
Ooh la la.
What, the only one! Thanks to the sympathy clap there. Okay, so, yeah, now all you have to do is you don't have to clap.